By having a product GIF on your website will increase your conversion rate by 30%. I know this because I went from zero when I was 18 years old to making over $500,000 in revenue by the time I was 20 years old, simply by better optimizing the conversion rate on my Shopify store. Welcome back to Quick Optimizations, where I show you how you can increase your website's conversion rate with quick and easy optimizations. Today I'll be showing you how to add a GIF to your Shopify homepage. Shopify has reported that by using videos and product GIFs, it can increase your conversion rate by 30%. And all it takes is 5 minutes. Alright, so now on the Shopify dashboard, you first want to go to Content, go to Files, Upload File, and put in the GIF. Now that the GIF has uploaded, here it is. You want to go ahead and copy the link. Go to Online Store, Themes, find your theme and click Customize. You want to go to the section where you want to add in the GIF. So I want to add it in between here and Add section. Scroll down and select Custom Liquid. In the liquid code, put in left arrow, image, src equals, open quotation marks, paste, close quotation marks. And then I want to center it, so I'm going to put in at the top, left arrow div align equals center, right arrow and go to the very end, close it off with the left arrow / div right arrow. Now it's going to be centered. As you can see, it's like not adapting to the phone mobile. And then utilizing ChatGPT, I was like, hey, I want this to be dynamic where it would automatically resize based on the width of the phone. So I told ChatGPT, hey, this is the existing code. Could you give me a revised version? It gave me this. Let's see if this works. Nope, did not work. And since it was too big, as you can see, I added in this extra script over here to make it smaller. So let's increase it to maybe 75%, 80%, 90%. Perfect. And there you go. We now have the GIF on the homepage. If we refresh the website and bam, here it is. Here's what it looks like on mobile. Beautiful. Very clean website. Looking very, very clean. Okay, so that is everything